Ever felt like you're trying to herd cats? Specifically, 8 of them all at once in a virtual room? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at a screen, wondering how to orchestrate a seamless 8x8 call without it devolving into a digital shouting match. It's a common challenge, especially in today's increasingly remote world. We're constantly connecting, collaborating, and trying to build that sense of togetherness, even when we're miles apart. But let's be real, managing a large video call like an 8x8 can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. Think about it. You've got 8 people, each with their own internet connection, their own quirks, their own background noises. You need to ensure everyone can see and hear each other, that presentations flow smoothly, and that the meeting stays on track. It's a delicate balancing act, a symphony of technology and human interaction. And if you're like most people, you've probably encountered a few hiccups along the way. Maybe someone's audio is cutting out, or the video is lagging, or you're just struggling to keep everyone engaged. This isn't just about pressing a button and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the nuances of large-scale video conferencing, optimizing your setup, and mastering the art of digital facilitation. It's about transforming what could be a chaotic experience into a productive and even enjoyable one. So, how do you actually make an 8x8 call work? How do you ensure it's not just functional but actually effective? Let's dive in. First, let's address the elephant in the room: platform selection. Not all video conferencing platforms are created equal. Some are designed for small team meetings, while others are built for large-scale events. For an 8x8 call, you need a platform that can handle the bandwidth, the participant load, and the features you'll need. Look for platforms that offer high-quality video and audio. This is non-negotiable. You need clear visuals and crisp sound to ensure everyone can participate effectively. Look for features like HD video, noise cancellation, and echo reduction. Grid view or gallery view. This allows you to see all participants simultaneously, which is crucial for maintaining engagement and facilitating conversation. Screen sharing and presentation tools. Essential for sharing documents, presentations, and other visual aids. Breakout rooms. If you need to divide the group into smaller discussions, breakout rooms are a lifesaver. Recording and transcription. Useful for capturing meeting minutes and sharing them with those who couldn't attend. Robust security features. Protecting your data and ensuring privacy is paramount. Look for platforms with end-to-end encryption and other security measures. Some popular options include platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so do your research and choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your platform, it's time to optimize your setup. This involves a few key steps. Stable internet connection. A strong, reliable internet connection is crucial for a smooth 8x8 call. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. High-quality webcam and microphone. Built-in webcams and microphones are often subpar. Invest in a dedicated webcam and microphone for better video and audio quality. Proper lighting. Ensure your face is well lit so that everyone can see you clearly. Natural light is best, but if that's not an option, use a soft, diffused light source. Quiet environment. Minimize background noise by choosing a quiet location for your call. Close windows and doors, and ask others in your household to be mindful of noise levels. Headphones. Headphones help to reduce echo and feedback, and they also improve audio clarity. Now, let's talk about the human element. Even with the best technology, an 8x8 call can quickly descend into chaos if it's not properly facilitated. Here are some tips for keeping your call on track. Set an agenda. Before the call, create a detailed agenda and share it with all participants. This will help to keep the meeting focused and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Assign roles. Consider assigning roles to different participants, such as a moderator, a timekeeper, and a note-taker. This can help to distribute the workload and keep the meeting organized. Establish ground rules. At the beginning of the call, establish some ground rules, such as muting microphones when not speaking, using the raise hand feature to ask questions, and keeping comments concise. Encourage participation. Make sure everyone has a chance to speak and contribute. Ask open-ended questions, and encourage participants to share their thoughts and ideas. Manage time effectively. Keep track of time and ensure that the meeting stays on schedule. Use a timer if necessary. Use visual aids. Visual aids, such as slides and diagrams, can help to keep participants engaged and make complex information easier to understand. Take breaks. If the call is long, take short breaks to allow participants to stretch their legs and refresh their minds. Follow up. After the call, send a summary of the meeting, including key takeaways and action items. Beyond these technical and facilitation points, there are a few additional considerations that can elevate your 8x8 call from merely functional to truly impactful. Pre-call checks. Encourage participants to test their audio and video before the call starts. This can help to avoid technical glitches during the meeting. Moderation is key. A strong moderator is essential for keeping the call on track and ensuring that everyone has a chance to participate. The moderator should be able to manage time, facilitate discussion, and resolve any technical issues that arise. Engagement techniques. Use interactive elements, such as polls, quizzes, and breakout rooms, to keep participants engaged. Accessibility. Ensure that your call is accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities. Provide closed captions, transcripts, and other accessibility features. Practice and patience. Like any skill, mastering the art of the 8x8 call takes practice. Don't be discouraged if you encounter a few bumps along the way. Be patient, learn from your mistakes, and keep refining your approach. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.